Hello guys, and welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we will continue from where we stopped yesterday, which is the 5-minute trading strategy for trading. Okay, we will be looking at how we can use this strategy to trade some of these assets successfully. But before we go fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel. I've got lots and lots of videos right here that can get you started immediately. Just go through them, watch them, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very, very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, like I said in my last video, we started a training session on 5-minute strategy for trading okay, most especially for trading boom and crash and other assets also. So let's quickly go straight into the chart to check out what we need to do in order to put this to achieve this. Okay, but first, before we go into the chart, let's quickly check out what is on Jamboard so that we have a quick recap of what we had yesterday, so that we will know what to look for whenever we are trading. Like I said, in all this, the trend is very, very important. So that is why this is very, very important. Once you are very sure of the trend, that's you are very sure of the trend of the market, and you know the right trend to trade each of these assets, then definitely you are in the right track. Okay, you are in the right track. So the next thing you need to look out for is the resistance and support zone. Okay, once you are able to identify the resistance and support zone, then you will know your entry point and your exit point, so that way you will be able to trade this asset successfully. So this is the formula that you need to trade this some of these assets successfully. So let's go straight into the chart to put all this into action. So right here we have crash 1000, and the chart, like I said, we need to put it on 5-minute time frame because we are applying the strategy that has to do with 5 minutes. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to know the right trend to trade this asset. The asset we are trading or we are checking out is crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. So for crash 1000, if we are not trading the spikes in crash, then definitely we should be buying. And when we are buying, the right trend for it is when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so how do we know if the market is on uptrend? If you are good with your TA, you should be able to do that. But if you are not very good with your TA, then definitely the chart here, the indicator here, should let you know what to go for whenever you are trading. So right here, this would let us know if the trend is on downtrend or uptrend. If it is green like this, then it shows that it is on uptrend, so which means the market is on uptrend at this point. Okay, and there is one more thing you need to know, guys. There is one more thing, which is the support and resistance level. Which one is most suitable for trading an uptrend? Okay, the support zone is very, very important, because when you pick up a trade from the support zone, then definitely it means that it is going to go for a very long time. Okay, it is going to buy for a very long time. You can see it is around the uptrend region around here, and it picked up around the support zone right here, and you can see it going up. We had more of uptrend candles than the crash down candle happening around within this region. Okay, within here and here, these are the periods whereby the market was on uptrend. So definitely these are the time to take advantage of this strategy. So what should we do? Okay, like my last video, I told you that when we in the right trend like that, we can easily pick 1 or 2 candles and wait for another opportunity, pick up another 1 or 2 candles. But this time around, it's going to be totally different. Okay, number one, because the market is on 5-minute time frame, it is always difficult for us to have a single crash that we take or I mean that will clear the whole of the profit you have made or the capital you are making at that particular point. So that is why I am asking you to put it on 5-minute time frame and follow the strategy which I will be highlighting in this video. So once you're on 5-minute time frame, you've been able to confirm the trend, and of course you've known your support zone. So all you can do is to come in whenever you have your buy arrow and exit whenever you have your sell arrow, except if you have gotten to your targeted daily profit. Okay, that is when you can exit the market when you like. Okay, so for instance, right from here we had our buy arrow around the support region where the market was on uptrend. Then definitely it got to this sell arrow. The first crash that happened was here. It is not this main one. Okay, so you would have closed the market around there before the main one. Okay, if you are very smart enough, I mean if you are smart, okay, you should have closed it, because this took the whole of 5 minutes to be created. Okay, so here is another buy arrow right here, so you can come in here and close your trade. So this is the right place for you to exit. Then you can come in here again and exit right here. You can come in here again and exit right here. You can come in right here and also exit around here. So you can keep on doing this over and over and over again. So far you are in the right trend for it. So you only need to follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, you heard that right. You only need to follow the signal that supports the trend. Here is another one right here. You can see it right here, and you can see the number of candles created. And once we have this exit arrow popping out, you exit the market immediately. Okay, so that is how to go about it. And the beautiful thing about this is that in case you were like, okay, what if I came in at the middle? I mean, I opened my chart at the middle and I was not having a buy-in arrow. Okay, so all you need to do is that you wait for another opportunity for you to go in. Okay, there will always be opportunity, and that is why you have several charts right there for you to put into practice. Okay, we have about 6 different assets you can trade. We have the Bowman crash 1500 and also 300. So you set them up and you have this same setup on each and every one of them, and if one is not giving you signal at the moment, the second one will be giving you, another one will be giving you signal at that particular point. So you can always swing from one chart to another in order for you to have successful trading journey. And it is very, very easy to do. All you just need to do is just to look for the one that is giving you the right signal to go in. Then you go in, and once you have achieved your daily target, you can exit the market immediately. Okay, that is why I always tell you, you should have a proper plan, a proper trading plan. Once you have this, you will be able to achieve your daily target easily, and of course you will be able to make consistent profit every day. Okay, so these are some of the things that you need to put in place before you can start trading. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God